Hi friends, welcome to Kannada Big Boss Season 8 review in Telugu. Friends, Kannada Big Boss Season 8 Friday episode live updates I like to share with you all. Before that, first of all, I request you friends, the viewers who are watching first time my video, please subscribe my channel, and also on the screen in the description I have mentioned my Instagram ID. Please follow my Instagram page because I am conducting many poll surveys and also live updates I am updating in the Instagram page. You can enjoy it very well. Now let's get into the review. Friends, 10th week Friday episode live updates are really interested. So from this I can make out that highlighted things, 3 gift items for Prashant Sambargi. First gift is for 11th week captaincy task, Prashant Sambargi is the winner. So Prashant Sambargi became captain for 11th week. That is the first gift for Prashant Sambargi. Second gift is Atyuttama Pradarshana. Best performer for 10th week is Prashant Sambargi. So that is second gift for Prashant Sambargi. Third gift is, this is the 10th week. In case the nominations are still actively, the activeness is there. So no doubt on it, Prashant Sambargi is going to save from these nominations. So 10th week if he saves, 11th week is the captain, 12th week nominations and still he will continue in the 12th week. So Prashant Sambargi confirmed that he is the top 7 contestant. So this is a one more gift for Prashant Sambargi. So he is a top 7 contestant now. So from all these things, this week 10th week is really Prashant Sambargi graph has been increased a lot. So like this, if he is keep continuing it, definitely he is going to enter in top 5 finale, no doubt on it, because his growth is very good and the performance and behavior all together, 10th week is power pack performance of Prashant Sambargi. Definitely it's a good growth for Prashant Sambargi. Definitely he is going to enter in top 5. Then let's see how it goes 11th week. Friends, Kalape Pradarshana, worst performer is Raghu for 10th week. As I expected, because of all tasks he lost it in 10th week, and also yesterday task Big Boss has given punishment. The entire all housemates should not have coffee, milk, those punishment because of Raghu mistakenly violated the rules of touching the task items. So from this Raghu got punished, because of that housemates got punished. So altogether housemates have selected Raghu for Kalape Pradarshana. So Raghu is in jail now in Friday, we have to see. These are the highlighted items, Friday task I can see that. And one more thing which I can see is Friday wood task. Wood task is very interested. I will update it by tomorrow because complete episode they have not telecasted. So in wood task it clearly shows that there are 5 jodis. Aravind Vaishnavi 1 jodi, Manju vs Divya Suresh 1 jodi, Shamant Nidhi Subbaya 1 jodi, Chakravarti Shubhapunja 1 jodi. So literally it's a very interested episode wood task. We have to see who won the wood task and all. Then after, it's a very interested thing is Chakravarti mediator for love affair, love angle, love aspect you can say that. So in that between Shamant, Priyanka, Chakravarti is doing mediator job. Literally he is very interested. Priyanka is interested with Shamant, but the problem is she is not accepting because of media camera. Maybe it is a part of strategy. One side she is scolding Chakravarti, saying that this is this your job? Why you came to Big Boss house? All these things she is attacking Chakravarti. And another side she is very friendly with Shamant. So Priyanka's strategies are very interested. We have to see those strategies are helpful for Priyanka for saving the nominations. By seeing this all this growth screen space this week, out of 5 contestants, who is going to get eliminated? Bottom 2 are Priyanka, Divya Suresh. Prashant Sambargi, no doubt on it, he is going to save from the nominations. So bottom two are there only for two contestants. One is Prashant Sambargi, one is Divya Suresh, Priyanka. I also conducted one survey in YouTube and also in Instagram. I see that there is a huge support for Priyanka. Almost many viewers are not interested in Divya Suresh because of her combination with Manju and spoiling his game and her game also. This is the wrong jodi. That was the impression for the viewers. So I think definitely, no doubt, Divya Suresh is going to be eliminated in 10th week. And one more thing is, Divya Uruduga is out of the Bigg Boss house now because of due to her health issues. So I think Divya Uruduga, in case if they consider that serious elimination, I mean serious drop from Bigg Boss, there is a chances, 20% chances are there this week no elimination. By saying that Divya Uruduga got eliminated, so this week is no elimination. There is a chances. But since there are 3 contestants are extra in this season, so I think no elimination chances are very less. Definitely Divya Suresh is going to get eliminated. Next 3 weeks, definitely double eliminations, 2 times they will be conducting, sure in that, because finale 5 contestants will be going into finale. So remaining contestants are extra are there in every week, so double eliminations definitely will be there. Let's see how it goes. Then after, friends, today episode we will see that and I will come back with my review. This is a short video for live updates on Friday, what's happening. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.